Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I wanted to show you how to remove and reinstall one of these little lights right here. It's going to be the same for every door, so I only need to show you on one, and you can use the same process on that door over there, that one, this one. Do them all. Why not? For us today, what we're going to do is we're going to change out the bulb with one of these nice, beautiful LED bulbs. It's all the rage right now. Why not? All right, so let's get right down here with our pocket screwdriver. Come right along this side, go up, and just try to pop it down. If it seems like it's still caught on this side, that's okay. Just go like this. Here we are. We're gonna press on this little tab right here. You can use your finger or the pocket screwdriver, whatever you wanna do. Press it, pull out that wiring. I always take a look at my wiring to make sure there's no funny colors in there. If you see any greens, blues, reds, well, anything besides metal, you're going to need to either clean it or replace it. This one looks great. We'll set it aside and we can continue. All right, so let's get started. Grab this. Just going to go right along here. Give it a little twist and just try to lift that lens up. Come over here, do the same thing. Give it a twist, lift the lens, comes right off. Right in here, you can see where your 194 bulb is. Carefully grab that. It is glass, so you don't want to squeeze it and break it. But we do need to get it out of there. So sometimes you just need to try to get a good hold on it. Give it a little wiggle. If you can't get it out by your fingers, that's okay. We'll just grab some pliers and we'll lightly try to give it a nice tug. All right, so I grabbed some pliers. We're gonna carefully grab the bulb. You don't wanna squeeze very hard. You just wanna get a grip on it. Wiggle side to side, just like this. As you pull up, there's your 194 bulb. So if you take a look at the filament, which is the little wire that goes between this prong and that prong over there, that filament's broken, or it has a little crusties on it, I would just replace it. Simple as a 194 bulb. Me personally, I don't see why not. Let's go with one of these bad boys. I'm just gonna take it. You can see the prongs inside there, so you know which way the bulb has to go, right? You can't go this way, it has to go side to side. I'm just gonna carefully place it in there. So we're just gonna take our cover, bring it over, latch it in there, make sure it's secure. Let's go back over to the vehicle and install. Just gonna plug it in. We've got our area for the tab. We're gonna line that up with the tab. Slide it in. Fancy. That's exciting. Let's get it up in there. That looks amazing. I would say way better than OE. I'm gonna keep it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.